MS Talks International Public Speaking Championship 2021.
Now I would like to invite the next speaker. The name is Mr. Vijay Prakash from Bangalore. Let's have a big applause. Come on, guys. Talia. Mr. Vijay Prakash. Vijay Prakash ji is a co-author of Amazon #1 bestseller Slumdog Investor. He is the co-founder and CEO of GVD Wealth Professional Private Limited. He has trained over 25,000 plus people on stock market subjects in 2021. He is a master trainer in the area of technical analysis, value investing and portfolio design. He is also a creator of SMMPT system, which helps people trade in the stock market in just 5 minutes. Wow. And he's also one of our sponsors. So let's welcome with huge applause Mr. Vijay Prakash.
कितने लोगों ने स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा लूज किया है? Okay. And so this is how my life started in stock market as a great gambler. And this is how most of the people start in the stock market as a great gambler. And what is the definition of gambling? Anything which you do without knowledge is gambling. And by the way, that includes arranged marriage. And this is the phase when you start in stock market. Basically, this is how you invest or trade in stock market. So I used to sit down, watch the TV channel सुबह से शाम तक, और वहां जो भी आके बोल रहा है इसमें पैसे डाल दो, इसमें इन्वेस्ट कर दो, मुझे लग रहा था कि बाबा जी सही बोल रहे, पैसा डाल दो इसमें. दूसरा ऑप्शन वो वर्क नहीं करा तो किसी एडवाइजरी सर्विसेज को ले लिया, और एडवाइजरी सर्विसेज वाले बेसिकली वो खुद जो होते हैं वो जॉब कर रहे होते हैं, एंड दे एडवाइज यू कि आपको यहां पैसा डालना चाहिए. एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स देयर इज सो कॉल्ड फ्रेंड एंड फैमिली एक्सपर्ट, जो कि आपसे कहते हैं कि यहां पैसा डाल दो, वहां पैसा डाल दो, जैसा लवकेश जी बोल रहे थे, और हम लोग आंख बंद करके पैसा डाल देते हैं. तो दिस इज व्हाट वाज फर्स्ट फेज वेयर I had a lot of personal biases. I had this emotional mismanagement, because what was driving my investment was my greed, my fear, and the hope. जब स्टॉक नीचे चला जाता है तो क्या करते हैं हम? होप करते हैं कि ऊपर आ जाएगा, right? And most of the people who start in stock market, they go through this phase, which is called as the great gambler. But you know, you have option to actually skip this phase. And with my 16 years of experience, and after training close to 25,000 plus people on stock market, a framework which I have created, and this is what I want to share from this platform, which will help you actually skip this phase of a great gambler. So we'll just jump into the framework, which is called as MSBRTID. And if you follow this framework, my friend, even if you're a first-time investor in stock market, I can tell you, nobody can stop you from making money. क्योंकि ये 16 साल के मेरे experience का निचोड़ है, which stands for mindset or mentor. How do you build the mindset? What you want to become, you got to study. This is my book, but I don't want you to only study this book. You know, there are tons of books which are available and which you can study. So you study well, and this is how you become wealthy. And next thing what you need is the mentor, right? Because mentor is somebody who goes the path, knows the path, and then shows the path. So when you find a mentor, you again cut short your journey. The second thing what you will require, look for a winning system. For one such system, you can come to me, or keep looking for a winning system, because systems work, people fail. Because system has a repeatability and system has a reproducibility. And that's the best way to take yourself out from the emotion. Because emotional mismanagement is one thing which will always lose money for you. That brings me to third point B, do it like a business. Majority of the people do it like a hobby. And if It's a hobby. It's a very expensive hobby, my friend. But when you do it like a business, like a corporation, I can tell you it's a business which can start with a little money and it can fetch you a lot of money the way it did it for me. So do it like a business. Most importantly, minimize the risk. So there are various instruments which are available in stock market. Some of them are, of course, you can trade in cash market. Then there are tools like future and options. There are tools like intraday. And these are the tools which puts you in maximum risk. So if you are a first-time investor, I will highly recommend that don't go for these tools like intraday and future and options. And there is a saying about these tools is, if you do use these tools like a future and option, neither you will have a future nor options left in life. So for a new investor, it is very, very important to avoid this tool and you play only with the equity cash market. That brings me to, let's say you have 100 rupees to invest in stock market. What you got to do is, as a newcomer, invest 30 to 40% in case if you are interested in trading, right? If you want to trade, there are options available. We have built some system in which, see, a lot of people, when they think about stock market, they think that they have to invest a lot of time. But we have built a system now where you can actually invest in stock market in only 5 minutes a day. Especially I'm talking about a trading part of it. So out of 100 rupees, put that 30 rupees in trading, which can give you a regular income. And out of that, 60 to 70% is what you should, investing in stock market. And play this game not for the profit. I play this game to double my money. Okay? I want to double my money in stock market, and that is why I play this game. That is what I chase. And you should also not be chasing a profit in a particular stock, but to double your money, right? And that is how you become what? From a great gambler to a casino owner. And remember, a casino owner owns the casino because he knows that even if initially he is going to lose some money as a beginner luck to the people who are coming to his casino, but end of the day, you will not find a casino in the world which loses money. No casino goes into loss. And my friend, what I want to tell you is, last not but the least, when your journey starts in stock market, you will be like a coal. And market is going to exert pressure on you. And if you are ready to take that pressure, one day you become a diamond. Thank you, contest chair and my fellow speakers.
MS Talks International Public Speaking Championship 2021.